Hey fish, why are you eating my hand?
Domain expansion.
After all, you're liable. Domain expansion.
You're so ugly when you went in a haunted house. You came out with a job. Pikachu.
How do you throw a party for Mars? You plan it.
How you doing? Good. What do you want to do tomorrow? I want to go to Aquatica. Okay, let's do that. Anybody got some honey? No? Okay. Why did the chicken cross the road to go to the toilet? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because he was late for work. Like, I just want to talk about my dad. Like, he's so annoying and aggressive. Bye. What's the best thing about Switzerland?
What?
I don't know, but the flag's a big plus.
Hello guys, this is Philip Finette. Can you say hi to the crowd, Philly? Boo!